Ass warning. Action shots?
Yeah.
Oh. Hello everyone! This is our 4:30 p.m. update! We're taking you out!
Oh, we got some damage on from the shutters.
We'll be taking you out into the storm with us here today. What are we looking at?
Oh my god!
We're looking at some high winds, some rain. We got a lot of leaves coming down, some twigs.
How's the rain situation? It's not as heavy as
The rain is not heavy. It's just blowing every which way. Oh, look, we still got cars on the road. I mean, couldn't be too bad out here. Blur out that license plate later.
Nah. Oh, we're going down the road here.
Oh my god!
Oh, we got a downed tree.
We have a whole tree has fallen. I think the house looks okay. So a little bit of damage, and we are not even in the thick of it yet, but I'm still hopeful that these houses are gonna hold up. You know, we're not in the worst of it. We're not down south, we're not in Naples, but we will get those stronger wind gusts, 60 mile per hour plus. But yeah, I mean, it's still looking good for us, but there is a little bit of debris coming down, and hopefully it won't get too bad out here. Brrr!
Ah! Should we go this way? I don't know if we want to stand under the trees. Probably not under the trees, Sage. Probably not the greatest idea. All right. Oh, we have a little damage over here, Sage.
What's that?
I don't know, a pot or something.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's the top of the light.
Oh, yeah.
Our local damage! The top of the light, the garage light has fallen! Will the others follow?